Hello and welcome to this honest review of VidMake. Now VidMake is an AI avatar software and it's web-based and it costs $17. However, I only paid $12 for this, and this may be because I've used a discount code. Even though I can't remember the code, I'm going to put it in the video towards the end, so do stay tuned to the end. So apparently you get Pixar quality 3D AI avatars, lots of AI avatars, but let's see it in action. So here we are, I've logged into VidMake. And first of all, we're going to go to AI Video Creator, and we can go and generate our own avatars if we want by picking their gender and their age. Let's go for someone who's 20, and let's just keep everything with defaults, and let's click generate. So we've got someone here and they look okay. So we have to download that. We can't just use it straight away. I don't know if this has come from one of the AI image generators that you can get online. So we've generated an avatar. Let's go to Video Creator. We can upload a file as you would expect with TTS, or we can pick from a variety of people. We've got different languages here. So let's go for English, and we want to go for a female because we're going to try and use, I'm still worried that her language is Italian, so I'm going to go for Evie Baker. So even though I've generated my own avatar, I'm going to pick one of these pre-made ones. So I can also go and pick things like video avatars, but I have to upload my own video file. I don't really understand how that works. I have to upload my own MP4, but I can also have things like actors and models. Oh, I have to upgrade for that. And now I seem a bit stuck. I can't seem to just get back to where I was, which is incredibly annoying, so I'm going to go back. Last thing, we're going to look at these cartoon ones, which are these sort of things. Now, let's go back to human avatars, and let's pick this person. And I'm going to just type some stuff in. So I could generate a script just by using AI, but I'm not going to. I'm just going to type something out. So I've typed that in, so I'm going to click generate video. I'm going to call it 2. It failed to synthesize the speech. That's a bit of a problem. Now I don't know whether my video has been made at all, so I'm going to go here to all videos, and it hasn't. Fantastic.